Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So quickly, let's address the elephant in the room. So I've been missing in action for a second, and shout out to everyone who reached out to me and checked up on me. I truly appreciate it. I'm good. Your girl's good. I have been behind the scenes working on some things, and I actually just needed a break as well, but I'm working on expanding the content on my channel, and I'm doing a little bit of upgrades, you know. So if you guys are new here, I would love to have you go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. And for my oldies but goodies, I want to thank you guys so much for rocking with me. From this point on out, you're going to see a lot more consistency on my channel. So with all that being said, let's hop right into this review. So this hair that I'm rocking is from Cranberry Hair. I received this hair about a good month ago or so, and I have had the opportunity to play with this hair a little bit. So quickly, let me tell you guys the origin of this hair. This is their Peruvian Silky Straight, and I have it in the length 22 inches, and I'll showcase a lot of clips so you guys can see how it looks straight out the package, and so you guys can see how long this hair is falling on me. I'm between 5'2" and 5'3", so I believe I have the 150% density, and I think it looks really nice. Let me pull all the hair to the front, and as you guys will see, this hair did not come this color. I custom colored this hair. It took me 2 rounds of coloring, but I love how this color came out, let me tell you. And this hair took the color so excellently. So I call this look, you know, pumpkin spice. So let's get into the color really quick before I'll give you guys the rundown. And I do have on a medium cap for anyone who wants to know. So in the very front area right here, I dyed this hair twice, but the rest of it I only dyed it once. So let me show you guys how it's looking. I wanted to have like different dimensions of color, and it came out so freaking perfect. The hair, like I said, took the dye with no problem. It still has a extreme beautiful amount of shine, and it's not shedding any more than it already was. It's not tangling or anything. So I really am feeling this hair. The quality is definitely there. It did come pre-plucked, but I felt like it needed a little bit more plucking, so I went ahead and plucked it a little bit more. It could use a little bit more plucking depending on what your preference is, but right now I think this looks pretty good. Let me come in. Hopefully you can see that. This side I feel like you can't probably really see that well, but I think it came out really good on this side, and this side seems like it could use a little bit more plucking. But once again, shedding is very minimum. I'm not getting no crazy amount of tangling, which is perfect, being that this is 22 inches. You would expect it to tangle some, but look how like flowy this hair is, baby girl. You need it in your life. Like, yes. I'm so happy to be filming right now, so I'm trying to keep it cool and not be too extra in this video, okay? So the only con I would say about this hair is I found that the cap construction was kind of large. So if you have a smaller head like mine's or smaller, I would try to get a small cap construction, because I had to do a lot of customization as far as getting it to fit to my particular hairline on the side. It doesn't have any strong chemical smell or anything like that, and the price is really good for 22 inches. I'll link the current price on, as a matter of fact, I'm just going to link everything below, because you guys know with these companies the prices often changed. So go ahead and check the description box if you want to see the price of this unit. And again, if you don't want it this long, you can customize it to your liking. This is my review on this gorgeous Peruvian hair from cranberryhair.com. All the links will be in my description box, and I would love to know your thoughts on this hair. How do you like my custom color? Yes, her name is Pumpkin Spice, and she says, how you doing? Okay, sis. Thank you guys for rocking with me. Once again, if you aren't subscribed to my channel and you like what you see, I would love for you guys to be a part of the fam. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and everyone who wants to receive my videos turn on the notification bell, because YouTube be tripping. Like, I be feeling like they be hating me. Like, YouTube, get together. Thank you guys for watching. I'll link my social media accounts down below just in case you want to follow me outside of YouTube. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment. I'm gone, okay, sis? I'm gone. Bye.